What's going on, man? How you doing, Javier?
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hey, good to meet you, man. What's up, TRC fans? Javier from That Racing Channel. Today is going to be an awesome day. We're on our way to Billet Design Motorsports to meet up with Marco and Andre. We're about to rip all the stock parts out of the R32. So this is officially going to be the last ride in this car, bone stock. Cannot wait to make this thing an absolute animal.
I love you so, the way that you do.
Pumped. We're here at Billet Design. We're here to see Marco. He's working on the PPG Sequential for us, so we're gonna go inside and see how the process is coming. Ooh, look at this badass Porsche. I think he just did an OS Geiken clutch in this bad boy. Billet Design. So this is Marco's waiting area. It's pretty badass. Got a nice little RB here. Yeah, Marco's our go-to guy for transmission builds, all that good stuff. He's OS Geiken, Datsun dealer, big into the GTR game, and he used to be real big into Porsches. He's built some badass Porsches in his day. He's featured in 911 magazine, Fast Car magazine back in 2006. He's made some serious power. Young Marco. All right, let's go back in the shop, see if we can find Marco. Ooh, what do we got here? Marco's Turbo Gallardo. Got some nice cars in the shop. Nice. Marco's R33. This thing, I think this makes 600 or 700. So sick. Nice. Man, that's a clean NSX. Look at that. Clean, clean, clean. What's up, Marco? Hiding back here?
Hey,
How you doing, bro? Good to see you, man. What's going on?
not much. Just looking over your transmission here.
Nice. So this is the stock and the PPG. I guess we'll go over what's going on here. So what are we looking at? I know we were doing some assembly, but then we had to do a little bit of grinding on the stock cases to get the PPG stuff to fix, right?
Yeah, we have to do some modification. One of the modifications, you can see how much larger the shaft on the PPG is from the stock unit. So we're going to have to mill this, enlarge it about 4 to 5 millimeter. It's a difference, in the two shafts. So we probably got to take, looking like about 3 millimeter. We have to open this up. And then on the cases, I started doing some grind work here. We need to go a little bit more. And that's in order to fit the gear cluster in. We have to take off some on the other side as well. Also on the mid case here, we have to do some modification to both the top and the bottom.
We got the instructions from PPG here. So it's pretty straightforward for the most part because we're using the factory R32 casing. So besides a little bit of grinding, it's fairly straightforward, right?
Everything looks like it's going to work out nice.
Nice, man, nice.
Differences in the two transmissions. The input shaft is a lot larger and stronger than the factory unit. You can see how the gears are larger, stronger. You can see they put the reverse gear here instead of out and back like the factory unit, so they made room for the 6th gear. Also, the reinforced plate makes a big difference. The factory ones, they're known to flex and cause damage with high horsepower. But this billet plate is a lot stronger and it won't flex like the factory one. This one you normally select each gear, with your shifter. It's like a normal H pattern. This is a little bit different. This is where it's kind of cool. Right now we're in neutral. If we turn it that way, which would be up in the car, puts you into reverse, then click to neutral, and you have first gear, second, third, fourth, and then fifth,
Nice.
and sixth.
That's badass.
All through one rotation. So we also have some new bearings to go into the case. We have a new seal for once we mill that out. We really don't want to use the old seal after machining around it. So we put a new seal in. And then the shifter bearing, another bearing for the shaft.
Sweet.
And of course a new gasket for the front plate.
All right, guys, so the transmission build's coming along really well. We're gonna show you some more clips here of Marco doing his thing and building the transmission.
RB26. We have to do some modification on the bell housing case, center case, two other little modifications to get it to work. But now it's all together and we just got to do a few more things to finish it up. Transfer case and get the shifter on it. We're ready to go.
All right, guys, so today's the day. We're here with the guys. Gonna pull out all the stock stuff. Good old stock RB. Did its thing, but time to build a monster. So we're here at Build Design. They got some awesome RBs. Some cool stuff here. Four-door Skyline. Pretty cool.
Is it love? Is it love? Is it love? Oh, I love her so. I just have to go. Oh, I love her so. And I'm sorry, girl.
So we pulled the tranny off, got a nice little surprise. Looks like a Nismo twin disc. Pretty badass. So pulling everything apart, this thing's got a lot of different goodies. It's got a Mines ECU, twin disc Nismo clutch, Grady intercooler kit, Grady oil system. A lot of cool parts we're going to take off and probably sell. Alright guys, so we got the engine out. Time to get the bay all cleaned up, get get it all prepped for the RB30 to go in. Okay, so we're gonna start with the engine assembly here. We have the RB30 bear block here, and we're gonna be installing, here's the spool crankshaft,